Hey, welcome back to Cooking with Manual Focus, and today we're making a very easy recipe. We're making some egg McMuffins, right? Now, I know gas prices are super high. This is a recipe you can do in your home and save you some money. So without further ado, let's focus on this recipe. Fam, now you know it's hard to find some stuff in grocery stores, so I couldn't find the cooked sausage patties that you can just heat up. That'll make it absolutely easy. But what I got is these rolled sausage right here. So what we're gonna do is just take these and we're gonna form these in little patties, right? So we just, and focus, fam, let me talk to you for a second. So that's the beauty about cooking at home, right? So if your grocery store doesn't have what you're looking for, you can take the main ingredient and make it what you like. You can customize it with the seasoning, and then you can make the size that you like, just like what I'm doing here. So if I would have got the pre-made one, it would have been on the smaller side. Now these disposable gloves, they come in handy, right? So you can see right here, my hands are messy, but I can take these gloves and then dispose of them and then put on a new pair, right? It's all about kitchen safety, right? Food safety. Now we're gonna get back to these muffins, right? So now we gotta get our muffins prepared. So we got our English muffins right here, and we're just gonna get these toasted. So we'll just go around here. Inside, just like so. We'll do the rest of them. And fam, a key to a beautiful tasting sandwich is you gotta toast your buns, and then you gotta toast these muffins, right? So I know everybody likes their toast at different levels, so hit me in the comment box below with the emoji how you like your toast. We got our oven right here, so we're gonna be toasting our muffins in our oven, right? So we'll get these bad boys situated. So we're just going for a light toast, right? Nothing major, nothing burnt, nothing brown, just a light toast, just to kind of crisp up these muffins, and then you in the game. And then we'll set our timer and let this bad boy toast up. All right, so we got our sausage patty on the grill, right? That griddle. So I bought these right here. These are some nifty little things. These came from Lodge, right? And they are silicone rings. You can use a mason jar, but we're gonna put these down because we're gonna get our eggs ready, right? So we got our eggs. I'm gonna break that yolk up a little bit. Then we're gonna hit it with a little salt and pepper. All right, so we're gonna give these patties a flip, and as you can see, you got a little bit of crust forming there. Now, if you like your patties, with a little bit more crust, you let them cook a little bit longer, right? Like I said, this is your kitchen, your griddle, your house. You do what you like, right? Now we're gonna press these bad boys down just like a smash burger, so we can get a nice crust forming, got all points of contact, and then we're gonna get these eggs flipped over, right? So I'm not like a master flipper or anything like that, but I recovered well, and those eggs still look absolutely delicious, fam. All right, so these bad boys are ready, toast enough. You don't want them burnt, but nice and toasty. So we got some American cheese here, and then just gonna put them on our bottoms. Now we're gonna get these bad boys situated, right? There's a couple different ways, to make an egg McMuffin, but I want you guys to kind of check this out. So with the sausage McMuffin, it's normally, you got your muffin cheese, and then your sausage patty along with your eggs, and then your top. And now you got your sausage egg McMuffin. So now let's focus on this original recipe. Now we're going back in with those eggs, right? And then, we gotta hit it, and then we gotta break those yolks up, right? And then as it cooks, you gotta hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper, because you gotta have that bad boy flavorful. Now, again, let's talk, fam. So this is a way for you guys to be in the game and to save some money, right? You can take out the middleman and learn how to cook these recipes at home. And then, your family's happy, you're happy, you're able to save some money, and then you're taking out that middleman, right? All right, so as you can see here, I got that Canadian bacon. You can hear the sizzle, right? And then we're gonna flip these eggs over. Now, the Canadian bacon is just pretty much heating it up, and then you're ready to go. You know, the eggs are going to take, you know, longer in the process, but you don't want to overcook your Canadian bacon. So we're going to go ahead and take this off the griddle, and then we let these eggs cook up. And now, right now, we're going to make this original McMuffin. As you can see here, again, going down with the muffin and then the cheese, and then you got your egg. Right now, again, here's the beauty of cooking at home. I'm throwing 2 pieces of Canadian bacon because that's what I can do, and then I got that top. Right now, you got the original egg McMuffin. Alright fam, so that's just how easy it is. Now the only thing that you got to do is you got to top it with your favorite, you know, condiments. What I'm going to use is a little bit of mayo because I love the sausage, right? Hit it with a little mayo. And there you have it, fam. You got your egg McMuffins at home, and all you got to do is get that bad boy taste test. And there you have it right there. Delicious, easy, simple. All right, if you're new to this channel, smash that subscribe button. And for the people that's been rolling me for a while, well, you already know we gotta smash into these McMuffins. And I got you in the game. These gas prices are high, and we're gonna be cooking a lot at home to save some money. But until next time, we'll see you guys later. Peace.